Hello and welcome to my video on Microsoft Paint, and this tutorial is going to teach you how to put wording on top of a photograph. Photographs that I use in Microsoft Paint are photographs that I took with my own personal camera. Preferably you need to use your own photographs. That's very important unless you can get copyright approval from the person that took the photograph. Okay, if you notice on the screen, you're going to see a photograph. It says good morning and Joe and Mary Smith at the bottom. And I just did this one simply for illustration purposes. On the right of the screen, you're going to see, to help you out, the list of instructions that I used to put this photograph into Microsoft Paint and to also make the editing choices that I did. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is click on the Microsoft Paint icon. It's on your desktop. It's right here. That's going to open Microsoft Paint. If you notice at the top toolbar, there's a folder. And you're going to click on that folder, and it's going to open up any photos that you have saved to your hard drive. Okay, you click on the photo, and then at the bottom it's going to say open, and you click on open, and it's going to bring that photo up into Microsoft Paint. Now the photo will appear in Microsoft Paint, and there is a white area that you will see that you can adjust the white area that exists behind the photo, and I did that here. You can see the white area. If you print this, you can always clip that off, but as you use Microsoft Paint, you're going to get better and better at it, and you will develop your own habits, your own ways of using Microsoft Paint. Okay, on to number 7, to add wording. You click on the letter A, which is your text, and you click on that, and then you see down on the photo it's got a little bar, and you're going to drag across the photo like I'm doing here, and that is going to open up a field for your lettering, anything you want to put on there. Right here you're going to see the font type, and you've got probably maybe 60 or 100 different font styles. You click on the one you want. Popular one is Times Roman. I like Lucida calligraphy. It's got a little pizzazz to it, so I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to choose a font size of 20. If I want this wording in blue, I'm going to come up here and click on the color blue, and you notice you'll see this is your active color right now, is the color blue. I'll click on that, and then I'll click on that field, and I will type in some wording. Let's say it says good morning, and then I'll put in have a great day. Okay, I've got that. If I want to put that in a bigger size, I will hold the left key down on the left tab down on the mouse, and I will go across it, sweep across it like that. I'll go up to the font size where it says 20, and I'll change that to font size 24, so it's going to give me a bigger font size. Suppose I want that font underlined. Okay, you have to kind of center this yourself, which is what I'm doing. You hold down the left tab on the mouse. So I will click on that field, have a great day, and then I will click the U underline that's in the toolbar. Okay, so when I'm happy with that, I'll just click off on it with the left tab. Instruction 8 says put mouse cursor on photo where you want put the wording. That's what I did. Press down on the left tab mouse. I've already done that. If you want a certain color, you go up here to the boxes. If you want your own special color, you can click on Edit Colors. And now here you see this wording color is in blue. Say, for example, I want a darker blue. I would click on this little scale right here. And now I've got a darker blue. If I want a really dark blue, I'll keep clicking downward. It'll bring that color. And then I'll click OK. Okay, now I've got the darker color in my little box over here where it says color 1. Okay, now that is it for this lesson, and I plan to do more lessons. I'm going to do small lessons, just probably under 5 minutes, so you can figure this out and learn this in little chunks. It is a very good program. I prefer this, and it also has some photo editing abilities. It's very limited, but you can edit a photo with this. And don't forget to save. I'm going to go up there and click save. And that is our program. Don't forget to save this. Thank you.